Number 2, here we are going to be simplifying. First of all, we see a negative 3, and there's stuff inside the parentheses, so we have to distribute. That negative 3 times this 6z becomes a negative 18z. Then we have the negative 3 times the negative 7 becomes a positive 21. This is the result of us distributing that negative 3 inside the parentheses. Then we bring down that 4. Let's see if we combine some like terms. This 4 and this 21 combines to get us 25. Nothing happens to that negative 18z in front. So it is negative 18z plus 25. It is common for us to write the variable term first and the constant last. B looks like there's a lot of parentheses, so we have to distribute. So we have that negative 3 times negative 12x gets us negative 36x. Then we have the 3 that's going to be multiplied by the 17 when we distribute that in. And this is going to get us a term of 51. Then we have negative 4 times negative 4 times 18, that gets us a negative 72x. Then we have a negative 4 times 2, that gets us negative 8. Let's combine some like terms. So we have the negative 36 plus the negative 72, that gets us negative 108. Then we have a positive 51, which is right here, and the negative 18. Positive 1 plus negative 18, that gets us a 33. So there we go. That's what we get after we simplify.